To create a 90-degree corner, place a corner unit at the corner and set with a dead blow hammer. Place the next base unit perpendicular to the corner and continue building the wall away from the corner. Use best practices to level the blocks and pitch the base course. Visit anchorwall.com for more details. Use a string line on a straight wall to align the blocks. On the next course, begin by installing dots of glue on the corner block. Then install a corner unit perpendicular to the corner unit below. Set corner units back to reflect the batter of the wall block units. Build the wall away from the corner. Set a wall unit perpendicular to the corner and build away. Apply 1 dot of glue every 3 inches on the corner units, from bottom to top, and keep the glue 2 inches from the face to prevent oozing.